So those are your two choices. Do not try to talk to me about any other choice. Those are your two choices. 3 years, or either you will be extended for 3 years and you're going to safety. Court is calling, and this is a motion to revoke. Court is calling 2020 CR 5443, State of Texas versus Tracy Shane Spencer. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense.
Andrew Hicks.
And are you Tracy Spencer?
Yes, ma'am, I am, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Are you the same Tracy Shane Spencer who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 5443 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on September 3rd, 2020 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
I am, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violating condition number 2 on or about the 27th day of November 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Tracy Shane Spencer did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamine, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
It is true, Your Honor.
State.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violating conditions.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 4 years in prison and up to a $1,500 fine?
I do,
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Requesting revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Spencer about this, and he wanted to defer to the court and just to be able to plead his case of what he's done so far on probation to the court.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Tracy Shane Spencer.
All right, what would you like to say?
I'm just, honestly, Your Honor, I would just like to be complete with this. I mean, I'm almost done 4 years on probation, 3.5 to be exact.
All right, so here's the main question. What have you done?
I've done a year in PIF. I've done a lifetime recovery for 3 months.
Was that inpatient treatment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Uh,
And you were in felony drug court, is that correct?
yes, ma'am.
Why are you no longer in felony drug court? Why are you before me?
Because on Thanksgiving around the time my parents both passed away in 2013, I proceeded to do some ice.
All right, so here's the thing, what I know about felony drug court, and if I'm wrong, correct me. I'm fine with people correcting me and telling me, no, judge, that's incorrect, you're wrong. So what I know about felony drug court, because I used to be an attorney in felony drug court, and I'm one of the first attorneys who was ever in felony drug court when it was created.
I remember
So-
on graduation last October.
So here's the thing. I know that if you have a relapse in felony drug court, they will work with you. So for them not to work with you, there has been something else that has been going on with them other than this is your first relapse. It's a matter of you not trying. So you want to explain to me why you're not in felony drug court?
There's so much to explain. I was just in it it is a very good program. I mean, it did a lot for me, and I was happy with the way I was progressing. It was a lifetime of fighting myself, and that's where I fell short.
Okay. All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Judge.
State any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So what are you asking for, counsel?
We're deferring to the wisdom of the court. The probation has recommended safety. State has recommended revocation. We're hoping for maybe a happy Not even medium, because I guess it wouldn't be in between both of those, but again, we're deferring to the court's wisdom on this.
Probation, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, the recommendation on the summary is for the executive followed by aftercare.
All right, I'm gonna give you a choice. Here's your choice. I can revoke you. I'll sentence you to 3 years, give you credit for any time served. Legally, I must give you credit for any time served. You'll receive credit for any inpatient treatment that you've done as well, that's been successfully completed. Or what's going to end up happening, I'm going to deny the motion. I'm going to extend you for 3 years and you're going to safety. So those are your two choices. Do not try to talk to me about any other choice. Those are your two choices. 3 years, or either you will be extended for 3 years and you're going to safety.
First one, please.
All right. Court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. See, he doesn't want treatment. Court will sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served, credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed. There's to be a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Did you pay the $60 fee to SAPD for restitution?
I paid a couple $1,000 towards the felony drug court.
All right.
The amount of the restitution, $50, and
All right, there's to be restitution of $50.70 to SAPD for drug testing. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm sorry, I didn't ask before, but are you, this was the choice you made, so are you waiving your right to appeal?
Remember, you would discuss that. You know, to the judge, so if you can leave that in. Should have ambulance, but should have life.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled trial court certification, if you'll go around. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because I've given you what you've asked for, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're going to go off the record. Obviously, you still have a drug issue, right? And technically, you're not in sobriety if you're using. There are so many places that we have in San Antonio and throughout the country where they will give you free treatment for any type of drug addiction you may be going through. If you do not take care of your issue, you know what's going to end up happening? You're either going to end up picking up more cases because you have people who are drug users, not drug dealers. The reason why they have cases is because they were caught before they had a chance to use the drug, right? So either you're going to get caught for that, or either what could end up happening is somebody could be asking to identify the body that's found on the side of the street or in a field, and that may be you. Because the last time you use may be the last time you use. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. Maybe we excuse.
Yes.
And we keep it working like Oouchie the boss. We tryna catch up like we hit us a fault. We gotta win, ain't taking no loss.